In the Emerald Isle of Ireland, a once prosperous land, the sun set on a golden era of agriculture, unaware of the storm brewing on the horizon. The year was 1845, and the Irish peasantry clung to their humble existence, their lives revolving around the humble potato. The potato was their staple food, a lifeline that sustained them through the harshest of winters. Yet, in this verdant land, a new strain of blight would shatter their world, a disease so devastating it would come to be known as the Great Famine. The first signs of the blight were subtle, a few blackened leaves here and there. Farmers, unaware of the impending disaster, dismissed it as a minor setback. But as the weeks passed, the blight spread, consuming entire fields of potatoes, leaving behind only withered husks. The Irish peasantry watched in horror as their crops withered and died. The once plentiful potato, now a distant memory, left them in a state of desperation. The once vibrant fields were now silent, a stark reminder of the harsh reality they now faced. The potato blight, coupled with a series of poor harvests and a lack of government aid, plunged Ireland into a state of crisis. The once self-sufficient peasantry were now on the brink of starvation. Famine spread like a wildfire, consuming the heart of Ireland. The Irish, starving and desperate, began to flee their homes in search of food and work. Their journey was long and treacherous, filled with hardship and suffering. Thousands perished along the way, their bodies left to rot on the side of the road. Yet, amidst the despair, acts of heroism emerged. The Irish people, in their darkest hour, showed the world their resilience and courage. Neighbors helped neighbors, strangers became friends, and the Irish spirit shone through in even the darkest of times. The Great Famine, a catastrophe of biblical proportions, would leave a lasting scar on Ireland. Over 1 million people would die, and another million would flee their homes. The once self-sufficient Irish peasantry were now a displaced people, scattered across the world. The Great Famine, a harvest of despair, would forever change Ireland. The Irish people, though battered and bruised, would rise again, their spirit unbroken. They would rebuild their lives, their homes, and their nation, a testament to the indomitable Irish spirit. In the end, the Great Famine was not just a tragedy, but a turning point in Irish history. It would shape the Irish identity, their culture, and their future. The Irish, though their hearts were heavy with sorrow, would never forget the lessons learned from the Great Famine. They would carry them with them, a reminder of their strength and resilience, even in the darkest of times.